guys, and welcome back again to Latoria Designs and Decor. So I wanted to do like a floral board, and I had to shop around, and I found this perfect board in Micheals, one of my favorites, and it was so huge, and I wanted to just hang it on my wall by my curtains. And this farm look, the stress was just perfect because it's such up my alley. And guys, I would never have guessed that it was only $6, so of course I got it. And then I went to another favorite store of mine, which was Micheals, and got these flowers, which were, of course, 40% off. And then I went to the Dollar Tree, and I picked up some of their flowers as well, which blend in perfectly with Micheals flowers. And so when I did this board, I had no particular way on how I wanted to do it. I just got my glue gun, cut the stems off, and just went to work. And I started to glue the flowers down one by one, and it just started to look so pretty as I was doing it, and I just kept going. And so I filled up the entire board, and it probably took me maybe less than 5 minutes to do this, guys. It's very quick, very easy to do. And when I got finished, oh gosh, it's so beautiful, especially when the light hits it, the natural light. So guys, if you like this, please like, share, and comment, and please recreate. Thanks for watching.